Not all canned tomatoes are created equal, and the wrong pick can ruin your sauce. In this video, we're breaking down the options, cuts, and secrets to picking up the perfect can every time. Your pasta will thank you. Ready-made tomato sauce. Just don't do it. It's sugar, starch, and marketing dressed up like your nonna. Make the real stuff. It takes 20 minutes and a little self-respect. In the world of tomato sauce, not all cans are built the same. Passata, that's the bottom of the barrel. Pre-pureed, stripped of texture. Nah. Crushed or diced tomatoes. Better, but you've got no idea what's in that can. Tomatoes picked on different days, maybe even different farms, all diced up and tossed together like it doesn't matter. You want the good stuff. Whole, peeled tomatoes. That's it. Anything else is a shortcut. And shortcuts is how you end up with a sauce that tastes like disappointment. Just skip the mystery stuff and buy whole tomatoes. At least you know what you're cooking with. Here's a cool little tip you should know. See that 3-digit number on the lid? That's the day of the year when tomatoes were picked. Between 200 and 250, jackpot, peak season, when tomatoes should actually be picked. So, read the lid.